One of a kind. Charming cottage feel with an open floor plan. Private, end unit with garage. Oak hardwood floors on the main level. Living room has a brick fireplace and opens to the dining area and kitchen. Laundry room with washer and dryer. Kitchen appliances, refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, stove/oven convey as well. Brand new sliding glass doors to the deck which overlooks nature. Great for grilling and relaxing and lots of birds to feed. Bedrooms are upstairs with walk-in closet and master along with walk-in attic storage. Complete interior has just been painted, new water heater, new built-in microwave, almost new stove/oven, new sliding glass door. Move-in condition. Only a short walk to the community pool.